How can you use cream eyeshadow sticks for a quick, easy, and fabulous daytime look for mature skin? Today, we will use my favorite 3 eyeshadow sticks that I use nearly every day to show how to do this no fuss but super pretty look. Are you ready? Let's do it. Today, I'm joined by Tamara, and we're going to demonstrate how to use my 3 favorite cream eyeshadows by PROMETICS. They are Estrella, Nebula, and Stardust. Each has a beautiful color payoff and stays on without creasing. Step 1. Eyebrows. The biggest change you can make to your face is to fill in your eyebrows. Find a shade that matches your natural brow color and use that to fill them in. For Tamara, I'm using the Prime Brow Complete in Taupe. First, I use the mousse to tame her eyebrows, make them all go in the direction I want. This also helps with the brow growth and it brightens the natural brow color. Then I use the spoolie in Taupe to brush them upward and open up the eye area. You can also use eyeshadow to fill in your brows, but if you tend to sweat on your face, then this technique may not stay put. After that, I add a little eye primer or concealer to keep the shadow in place, especially if it's hot outside. Concealers have a tendency to diminish the brightness of the shadow, so either hydrated bare skin or primer works best as a base. Step 2. Apply the eyeshadow. Cream eyeshadows are wonderful and easy to use for mature skin. We are using the Prime Eyes Eye Brighteners. Each color instantly lifts and brightens your eyes. They come in chic and sophisticated tones. They stay on despite heavy lids. They won't smudge, and they're buildable and beginner-friendly. Using Nebula, I run it along the eye line and into the outer edge in a V shape. Then I apply Stardust over the inside of the lid, and lastly, I use Estrella in the inner corner or on the brow bone. Step 3. Blend. After that, take a blender brush and blend all 3 shades so that they look seamless and soft over your eyes. If you want to make the color more intense, these cream sticks are buildable. Just add more product and blend as normal. If it works with your eye shape, you could also run the color under your eye for a stronger look. Step 4. For a different look, I like to add a thin eyeliner to the outer edge of the eye. I'm using Prime Eyes Glide Eyeliner in Emerald to make Tamara's eyes pop. This liner is water resistant and blends easily for a soft look. I draw from the middle of the eye towards the outer edge and even add a little wing if it works with your eye shape. Then I draw a line on the inner eye for greater dimension. After that, I blend it a little so it's not a lined look. Step 5. Eyelash primer and mascara. With such a beautiful eyeshadow, you need those long, luscious lashes we crave. I'm using Prime Lash Volumizer and Prime Lash Mascara to make Tamara's eyes really stand out. To complete Tamara's look, I'm adding a pretty lipstick, liner, and gloss, and she is ready to go into her day looking sparkly and natural. Thank you so much for watching. Please sign up for my newsletter below and subscribe here on YouTube. Have a great time with your cream shadows, and thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shop.